The aircraft was directly overhead at this time. What did surprise me was the fact that it had green lights down one side, red lights along the other wing. I then looked directly upwards as the aircraft was overhead. There was 2 green lights on one of the wings on the side, another 2 red lights on the opposite wing, a small white light somewhere, I would think, between the red and the green lights, and a very, very large white light at the rear. At that point, we could just make out a delta-shaped aircraft. It certainly wasn't a tornado. It was still soundless, and as it moved slightly past our position, we've got the big Hawkswick Moor Fell at the rear. There was a tremendous noise as it gained altitude, and it had to very, very quickly, otherwise it would probably have been straight into the fell. Didn't look like any aircraft that we see regularly flying over these tops. I'm absolutely convinced it was an aircraft. It looked quite similar in configuration to the Mirage, i.e. the delta shape, but we couldn't see a front and we couldn't see a rear. We couldn't see any assembly underneath, but definitely the wings were very, very sharp, which did surprise me. The noise was unusual, but that could have been because it was gaining altitude.
What were the features about this particular observation that distinguished it from, say, normal military overflights?
Yeah, this particular valley, as I say, is renowned for air exercises. Usually when you see one aircraft like this, it's usually followed very, very quickly by 1 or 2 chase aircraft. Being conversant with normal aircraft, you know, it was unusual in the sense that when it went overhead, there was a tremendous noise, a noise that